Yo! Hey man, I'm back in the car. And I'm about to go pick up these Yeezy clay joints, man. I got a decent little travel to go, like a 20-minute drive or whatever. Hopefully there's no traffic. I'm finna go pick these joints up. Hit at Ford City Mall. That's like really completely opposite of where I'm at right now. So, well, it's not really. I'm kind of already west anyway, but still, I just don't want to do the drive. Wish I would have hit at fucking River Oaks or some shit. But anyways, man, finna make this drive, pick up these Yeezys, stop complaining. See y'all at Foot Locker. Let's go. Yeah, so we've made it to the Yeezy destination, which is, wow, the Ford City Mall. Did not want to drive all the way up here, but hey man, you gotta do what you gotta do. Like I said, I didn't like these at first, but all the reviews and stuff that I seen on them they started growing on me slowly but surely. So you know, it is what it is, man. I guess you can say the hype got to me or whatever. But walking inside the mall, and they pick up these Yeezy joints, man, and then head right back home. Because like I said, I'm sick. I don't really want to be out here. I'm gonna stop, give me some soup on the way home. But yeah, man, here y'all go. But enough of all that talking, man. Let's go pick up these joints. So yeah, you know it's early, man, when you got the mall walkers is in here. You feel me? You know it's early when the mall walkers in here. But yeah, there you go. I'm here. No recording in Foot Locker, so let's go. Another one, man. Smooth transaction. In and out. Got my size 9.5. In and out like a robbery. Let's go. Let's get it. Whole bunch of gang shit. But anyways, man, on my way back to the car, back in the crib. I am hungry. I am dehydrated because I'm sick, and I'm just ready to go home. Get this reviewing on feet out the way and eat and lay down. So see y'all. Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker pickup for y'all today, man. But before we get to this sneaker pickup, man, y'all already know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, sneaker pickup, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm sick as hell right now. I'm super sick. So hope y'all appreciate the content, man. And let's get straight into this. Foot Locker. This Foot Locker bag way thicker than this other one, but whatever. Hit these at Ford City. God damn. And y'all know what came out today. These are the 350s. Bow, Boost, that little stuff. These are the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 clays. Colorway on this is clay. I'm glad they stopped throwing out all them freaky colors to match with this stuff. Here go a shout out to Tag for all y'all, you know, legit checkers out there that can legit check through videos and certain stuff. And we have bling, blow, burr on the shoes. We not here for the box, so throw that box over there. And bow, we have the clay Yeezy joints, man. Yes, the clay Yeezy joints. These smell so good, I'm not gonna lie. These smell so good. Like something about that new shoe smell. New shoes. But here you go, man. The tag, you have like a little chip right there, whatever. But there you go. I thought Yeezys usually come with like 2 or 3 tags or something like that, but I don't think I ever got a pair of Yeezys from like Foot Locker. I don't think. Nah, I don't think so. I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna do the review on this shoe because that one has that tag on it. And yeah, man, let's get straight into it. because I'm really trying to go eat this soup and drink this orange juice and get this cold out of here. But wow, man, let me give y'all that full 360 look of the shoe, man, in that clay colorway. I'm not gonna lie, man, I was one of them ones, like, I didn't doubt the shoe. I just said, man, I need to see these in hand. They was looking like a pass to me. And I guess you could say the hype got to me, because as I was seeing people do reviews and stuff on this shoe, I started liking it more and more and more. And I'm like, I guess they not that bad. Like, the pictures, like, you can never go off of pictures, because pictures will steer you the wrong way every single time. But this right here, honestly, looked like a dip dyed static. That's exactly what this looked like to me. Like, they dipped it, darkened this up, and that's it. I don't even know where my statics at. They somewhere right here. They somewhere right there. I don't feel like taking all these Yeezys down to find the statics. But these look like a dip dyed static. So, and everybody was saying that the boost was orange, but it's not orange boost though. It looked like it could be, like it looked like it's orange until you really pay attention. You can see that it's white. This is just orange, giving it that orange tint to it. But you have the same little see-through pattern right here, like on the static standard Yeezy lace system. You have the 3 stripes right there. You have the 3 stripes right there. Insole of the shoe, wow. You see, like, these is just like a regular standard Adidas insole. As you can see, Adidas Yeezy, this is just standard. Now, like, the 700s have like that ortholite, and I think the 500 has the ortholite as well. So these are just standard, just regular, you know. There's no extra padding to the insole of the shoe. Outsole of the shoe, you have, I don't know if this, I think this like got that little orange tint. Yeah, this is a real light translucent like orange tint. You have the boost pods right here. As you can see that the lines is pretty much everywhere, so you can't go off of, oh, it's supposed to be 10 the lines going right here. These are basically everywhere. You feel me? You have the little boost hint right there. You up the toe. You have Adidas right there. You can barely see it because the shoe is so light. You have the boost pods popping out. You have that thick stitching going all the way up the shoe. Of course, it goes all the way back. You have that real, like this orange is like almost construction orange, like a little lighter than construction orange right here. But I mean, these are definitely like they decent. They decent. They a cop. I'm not gonna lie, they a cop. They definitely a cop. Like, yeah, especially like I'm gonna freak these. I'm gonna make these look dope, man. You feel me? Whenever I wear them, like I swear, like this is definitely like a summer shoe. I really like this shoe smell though. I'm not gonna lie. They should have put some leather right here. That would have been dope. Nice little padding on the inside. But I mean, honestly, they like a dip dyed static. I mean, that's all it really is to me, a dip dyed static. You have the chunky standard midsole slash outsole, you know. It's nothing too much, you know. They got the same pattern as the statics. Have the little white hints going around there. You know, basically the same as the statics, just dip dyed. So, finna give y'all a real quick on fit of these joints, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these down in the comment section down below. Let me know how y'all feel about the on feet, man. And not finna talk our ears off, let's get straight into it.
White baby, that cocaine. Bad bitch on the line, she want me to fuck her and feed her. And she gon' play her role, cause the bitch know I don't need her. Fuck stunting for the summer, I shit on them all 4 seasons. Do the shit cause I want to, won't need no reason. Ice on me, damn, I'm over freezing. Step in with my chest out, don't plan on leaving. Check it out, just picked up a load, through the speed limit of below. Money going in and out the door, we steady going in and out with more. Bad bitches busting on the floor, and go if you ain't like what you here for. Netflix and chill, bitch, no. Chillin' ain't what you come around for. I don't know nothing about basic, but I had my dealings, so I got personal feelings. Niggas gon' hate just to hate, and gon' hate cause I'm gifted, but that's just the home of this system. I got a nigga that's hand up and got damned up cause his mama was snitching. You can't confide in nobody, only Lord knows what they can't know about it. Bro, it's like I swear to God, every time I come in this bitch, I just go crazy. And I'm steady going crazy, going crazy, going crazy, bro. It's like I'm fucking their heads up, and they know this, and they can't deny me, G. You know what I'm saying? Low, just touched down. I ran through it fast as a cheetah. Off-white, tan white, baby, that cocaine. Bad bitch on the line, she want me to fuck her and feed her. And she gon' play her role, cause the bitch know I don't need her. Fuck stuntin' for the song, I shit on them all 4 seasons. Do the shit cause I want to, won't need no reason. Ice on me, damn, I'm over freezing. Stepped in with my chest out, don't plan on leaving. Stick 'em up, hit 'em up, tell the white man pick 'em up, he gone. I done at it all night long, I done did like 6 other songs. One of ones, these niggas clones, I can hear the static in his phone. He ain't got a ratchet in his home, but I heard he got that package in his home. That ain't my nigga cause he ain't been acting too right. I heard he been stomping the white, talking to bitches about business that he ain't been handling, like he came up overnight. Added for cash and I know I'ma do what I must, I refuse to go hungry at night. Mama gon' get her a life and I gotta do right, cause I know she be worried at night. My little bitch wanna chill with me, but I told her she fucking this song and these niggas trying to get me, and my ex is trying to get me, but I never go. Plug steady trying to front a bunch of shit, but he don't know that I'm swiping the low. PMG nigga too solid, swear to God, got our low. Just touched down, I ran through it fast as a cheetah. Off-white, tan white, baby, that cocaine. Bad bitch on the line, she want me to fuck her and feed her. And she gon' play her role, cause the bitch know I don't need her. Fuck stuntin' for the song, I shit on them all 4 seasons. Do the shit cause I want to, won't need no reason. Ice on me, damn, I'm over freezing. Stepped in with my chest out, don't plan on leaving. Lately I've been stacking to get my bread up. Fucking hoes, I know my bitch been getting fed up. You best stop playing with my niggas, you could get your head bust. And all my niggas locked away right now, but keep your head up. It's hard.
Yo, man, so let me know how y'all feel about these down in the comment section, man. Was these a cop? Was these a drop? Are these hot? Are these shot, man? Let me know how y'all feel about these down in the comment section down below, man. These definitely look fire on feet too. Like, I already know I'm about to be seeing these everywhere. I don't know, I think a lot of people took L's on these. Like, y'all seen Measly G stuff, man, you seen that line out there. I don't know if them was for the toddlers, because the toddlers got a nice value on them, or was they just for regular sizes. I lucked up and hit on these. Like, I honestly thought I was gonna take an L. I wasn't gonna complain, I wasn't gonna stress about them, but I thought I was gonna take an L. I ended up hitting, and I'm like, hey, I hit. I wasn't gonna wake up to go get these on Yeezy Supply. I was like, man, you know, it is what it is. But like I said, man, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review. I was gonna say unboxing, sneaker pickup, and on feet, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.
And it's gonna take some work, dog. I had to roll these sleeves up. She know that I don't need her. Nigga, you can keep her. Can't fuck with that little greedy bitch. I'm trying to get my jeans stuck.